What's going on, guys? My name's Connor, and today I have a review for you guys on the Goyard Boeing toiletry bag. So with Goyard getting more and more popular each day, it seems like, I decided it'd be a great video to show you guys the bag that a lot of people like to use to hold their makeup or just their toiletries when they're traveling. So if you guys enjoy these kind of videos, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as it really helps out my channel and gets my videos shown to more people. And while you're at it, make sure to claim your 4 free stocks on Webull by clicking the link below. All you got to do is sign up. You get 2 stocks for free, and you get another 2 once you make your first deposit. So without further ado, let's get right into this review. So obviously you guys can see the Goyard dust bag right here. It'll obviously have the big G with the ARD, obviously for Goyard right there. Say Goyard, Rue Saint Honor, if I pronounce that right, Paris. And it's just going to be the beautiful Goyard yellow. But taking the dust bag off, and you guys will have the toiletry bag right here. So the formal name in this bag is the Boeing Crosier toiletry bag. And I know I'm saying that with a really American accent, so you guys can obviously critique my enunciation down in the comments. But the size of this bag is going to be a size 25 Boeing, which means that it is 25 centimeters in length. So it's the exact same as Louis Vuitton with their Keepalls. So if a Keepall is a size 50, it means it's 50 centimeters in length, and it's the same with Goyard. So 50 centimeters from this edge of the leather to this edge. And then the retail cost of this is going to be $850. But for those of you guys who are a bit newer to Goyard, you guys might not know that you guys cannot just go online and add it to cart and then check out and have it shipped to your door. You guys are either going to have to call in and have them fill your order via call, or you guys are going to go into the Goyard store, which is obviously the more popular way, and buy it there, and they'll do a little bit of customization for you, and it's a nice experience if you guys are going to be buying this bag through retail. But the resale market on this bag is going to be between $1,000 to $1,200 if it's in great shape, just like this one is, as you guys can tell. And it's a nice little bag that a lot of people seem to be using lately, so I decided to bring a review for you guys. So here's kind of what it looks like. I know I didn't show you guys it in full just yet, but it's really good looking. It's very simple, and it's really small. So if you're someone who's into Goyard or into designer, and you're just looking for a toiletry bag to maybe hold your toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, whatever else, it's perfect. Or if you're a female and you want to put your makeup in here, that's obviously perfect as well. Or if you're a guy and you want to put your makeup, I know it's 2021, so you can do whatever you want with it, but it is small and it's not really going to hold clothes. So just keep that in mind when you guys are deciding to go for this. Or if you guys are looking for a big bag with this canvas that looks similar, go for the Boeing size 45, 50, or 55. And just to get into some of the details of the bag, the corners are going to have this little leather part right here, which will obviously try to protect the canvas on the bottom. There will be a single zipper right here with a big G, as you guys can tell. And then the zipper is obviously going to go all the way across. And something that a lot of people haven't mentioned in the videos that I've seen on this bag is this little button right here. It'll obviously have the G on it, but when you pop it off, it'll increase the size of the bag. So if you're not able to hold everything you need in there, maybe it's a little bit, maybe you just want to add some stuff to the top, last toothbrush, last deodorant, whatever else, then just unbutton these bad boys and you guys will have a lot more room in this bag, as you guys can tell before I've even opened it up. But unzipping this bag, you guys will have the yellow Goyard canvas on the inside, as you guys can see. The heat stamp will be right here. If you guys can see that, I'll try to put it in the light right there. It'll just say Goyard Paris, made in France. And then right next to it, you'll have this little pocket right here. So if you have a few Ziploc bags in here and you just want to throw in your deodorant, cologne on the side, that's perfect. But if something leaks, this will get stained up, and I've seen it time and time again where people put a lot inside of this bag or a bag similar to this, and something spills, and then the canvas will just turn into this whitish color. So you definitely want to take care of this bag and make sure that nothing's leaking, or you guys are obviously going to be able to see the wear on the inside. And the canvas right here is obviously going to be the black colorway. And I didn't mention this, but the canvas will wear sort of easily. So if you guys are rubbing it against stuff, or it gets wet, or whatever else, if you guys are leaving it on the sun, the Goyard canvas wears a lot more easily than Louis Vuitton. I'd say that Louis Vuitton is the least fragile. You can rub it up on stuff and it won't really fade or get damaged. And then there's Gucci, which with some wear it'll definitely get damaged. And then there's Goyard, where you can just go online and look at some of the used Goyard and see how messed up this canvas will get if you're not taking care of it the right way. But this bag was bought years ago, and the previous owner took the best care of this bag, which is why it is in such good shape. So it's definitely possible. You just want to make sure that you're taking care of your stuff, especially if you're spending close to $1,000 on a bag like this. I know I said it retailed at $850, but after taxes, if you're in anywhere like California, you're gonna get absolutely scammed by taxes. Taxes are ridiculous right now, but you're gonna end up paying about $8,000. So just keep that in mind. Take care of your stuff and it will take care of you. And so just before I close out this video, I don't really want to just fluff up this video. I know you guys just came to see the bag, but keep in mind that this isn't the worst investment. I mean, when people hear, oh, I'm buying Louis Vuitton this, I'm buying Goyard that, Gucci this, people always think like, oh my god, you must be rich, you know? And I'm definitely not rich by any means at all, but you guys can see all the stuff that I review on my channel, and that is because I buy it at the right price. Even if you were to buy this bag at retail, it's still keeping its value. You guys can go ahead and look on StockX, The Real, wherever else. Retail at $850. Now I'm seeing them sell for $1,000, $1,200. I haven't really seen more than $1,200, maybe $1,300, but that just goes to show that people are wearing it a little bit, taking good care of it, and then flipping it and making maybe $100. But being able to make $100 and also enjoy such a luxurious travel bag is an awesome experience, and I definitely say it's worth it. So if you guys are considering buying this bag, make sure you get it at a good price. Feel free to reach out on Instagram and I can help you with that. But let me know what else you guys want to see in the comments, and also let me know what you guys think of this bag. I mean, do you guys think it's worth it? Would you guys definitely go for the bigger Boeing or maybe the Crosier bag for traveling, or would you just go with this and maybe hold the rest of your stuff in a backpack? Let me know. I'm genuinely curious, and I just want to thank you guys so much for watching these videos. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys have not already, because the bigger my channel is, the creatier content I can bring you guys, so it's kind of like a win-win. But again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.